Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a fast Afang soup, very sweet and delicious. You watch me and stay tuned. So I washed my meat, I added my stockfish, and I added my pomo, and I grounded red pepper and habanero pepper, the yellow pepper, and I'm adding my seasoning cubes, my salt. This soup is going to be delicious. I did not add water. Then I stirred and covered the pot for the juice of the meat to come out. I on my gas the medium heat. As you can see, the juice already out. So I added crayfish and I grounded one habanero pepper again because I found out that the pepper I put earlier would be enough for me. I love pepper. I'm not a Yoruba, but I just love pepper. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to add my palm oil. Remember, we don't need much water in this recipe because it's more like vegetable soup. I washed my water leaf and I added my water leaf and I closed the pot for 2 minutes and I added my Afang leaf, which is okazi leaf. You can go to the market and ask for it. I blended my okazi leaf. You can also grind yours in the market. If you have a blender, you can wash them and blend it. But I slice before blending because my blender is a bit late. It's not a food processor. So I'm going to stir this and leave it for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, my soup is ready. Please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you love this video. I added a little bit of water because my pots, the water in the soup is already dry. Just a little bit of water, and I tested for salt and I added a pinch of salt. And so now, guys, after 5 minutes, my soup is well ready. Don't forget to down with your fufu, apple, or hot eba or pounded yam. See you guys in my next video. Bye.